Morning, student. Today your topic is triangle. We have to define the triangle and also classify the triangles. So let us start now. Triangles. What is the meaning of triangles? Triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segment AB, BC and AC. कहने का मतलब यह हुआ है कि तीन लाइन सेगमेंट को जब हम ज्वाइन करेंगे 3 पॉइंट्स के थ्रू देन फॉर्म होगा ट्रायंगल्स. ठीक है. इट मींस इस ट्रायंगल्स में आपको थ्री साइड दिखेंगी ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी and also there are the three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, so that there are the 6 elements, there 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, so the sum of all angles, the sum of all angles of a triangle is also 180. फिर से हम एक बार इसको डिफाइन करते हैं. ट्रायंगल इज ए क्लोज फिगर बाउंडेड बाय थ्री लाइन सेगमेंट and they have joined the two lines A, B and AC at a common vertex A, AB and CB at a common vertex B, and AC and BC is a common vertex C. So there are the three vertex A, B and C, and then from the three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. After that, we have to classify the types of a triangle. So look, the first type according to the sides, there are the three types of a triangles, and according to the angles also the three types of a triangle. So look here, types of a triangle according to the sides. Types of a triangle according to the side. According to the sides, there are the three types of a triangles. The first is scalene triangle. Second is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. And third is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So one by one we have to define all the three types of a triangles. Look, the first is that scalene triangles. So we have to define scalene triangles. First is where the first type is the scalene triangle. So let us start. We have to define the scalene triangles if all three sides are different length, if all three sides are different length, then it is called scalene triangle. So the angle is also the different. So also all angles measurement is also different. फर्स्ट, स्केलेन ट्रायंगल्स में सभी साइड्स अलग अलग लेंथ की होती हैं और इसके सारे एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट भी आपके डिफरेंट डिग्रीज के हो. ओके, द सेकेंड ट्रायंगल इज दैट isosceles triangle. So let us start. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides of a triangles are equal length, then it is called the isosceles triangle. Look here the figure ABC. If AB is equal AC, so this triangle is called isosceles triangle. So we have to define isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides are, if any two sides are equal length, then it is called, isosceles triangle. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, यानी अगर किसी भी ट्रायंगल्स के कोई भी दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो वो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल्स कहलाएंगे. अगर कोई भी दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो अपोजिट एंगल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल. दिस वन इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. सो वी हैव टू से दैट एंगल बी इज इक्वल एंगल सी बिकॉज ए बी इज इक्वल एसी. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल वो ट्रायंगल्स है जिसमें कोई भी दो साइड्स क्या होगी, इक्वल लेंथ की होगी. अगर कोई भी दो साइड्स इक्वल लेंथ की है तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि उसके अपोजिट एंगल्स भी क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. यानी यहाँ पे अगर हम लेते हैं ए बी इक्वल ए सी तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि एंगल बी और एंगल सी भी इक्वल होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स. सो लेट अस डिफाइन द इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. इन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स all sides are equal. Look here the figure of equilateral triangles. Here ABC is a triangle where the length AP, AC and BC are equal. So that this triangle is called equilateral triangles. So equilateral triangle is a triangle which all sides are equal. A triangle which all sides are equal, which all sides are equal, then it's called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, if all sides are equal, it means we have to say that that triangle is called equilateral triangle, and also all angles are equal, so that angle A is equal angle B is equal angle C, and each angle is equal 60 degree. This one is a types of a triangle according to the sides. इसी तरह से हम according to the angles also define the types of a triangles. So look, there are also the three types of a triangle according to the angles. First is called acute angle triangle. First is called acute angle triangle. In this triangle, all angle is less than 90 degree. If you have to measure, supposing that the first is that 60 degree, and second is that 70 degree, 60 degree and then 70 degree, and this angle is 50 degree. So the sum of all three angles are 180 degree. Okay, so if all three angles are less than 90 degree, it's called acute angle triangle. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ each angles of acute angle triangle is less than 90 degree, 70 is less than 90, 60 is less than 90, and 50 is also less than 90 degree. Second is that obtuse angle triangle. In this triangles, at least one angle is more than 90 degrees. Look here, obtuse angle triangle. In this triangle, we have to measure at least one angle is more than 90 degrees. Supposing that this angle is 100 degree and this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So at least one angle A is more than 90 degrees. So that angle is called obtuse angle triangle. So that triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. So let us define that. If at least one angle, at least one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. And last one is that right angle triangle. So let us define right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, at least the one angle of a triangle is exactly 90 degree. So look the figure of a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, at least one angle of a triangle is exactly 90 degree. So the third one is that right angle triangle. One angle of a triangle, one angle of a triangle is 90 degree are called right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. ओके बच्चों, तो आज हम लोगों ने सीखा कि हाउ कैन डिफाइन द ट्रायंगल्स एंड what is the classification of a triangle according to the sides and according to the angles. According to the sides there are the three triangles and also according to the angles there are the three triangles. So there are the 6 types of a triangle. That's it.